Hello, hello, and welcome to Math with Miss Rainey. Today we are going to continue our lesson on adding integers, with the focus being on adding integers when the signs are the same and when the signs are different. We're going to do this lesson in Nearpod today, so go ahead and log in. You know you can log in via Clever, or you can log in using the link in the chat, or you can simply go to join.nearpod.com and you can enter this code. Once you are there, you should come to this screen, and once you are at the screen, I would like for you to put a check on this screen so that Miss Rainey knows that you are here. And this just reiterates what I just stated, that we are going to talk about integers, when adding integers when the signs are the same and when the signs are different. So some of us are having issues remembering when our answer is going to be positive and when our answer is going to be negative. So remember, we have this little song that will kind of help us out a little bit, and it simply says, same sign add and keep, different sign subtract. You take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. And many of you are saying, Miss Rainey, I have no idea what that means. Please help me. If that is you, give Miss Rainey a check and we will move on to break it down. So we are going to start with adding integers when the signs are the same. So according to our first line of the song and the rules of math, when the signs are the same, we simply add and keep. So same sign, add and keep. What that means is same sign, either both numbers are going to be positive or both numbers will be negative. If this is the case, you simply add the numbers together and then keep the sign that both of the numbers have. So in our example, we have a positive 5 plus a positive 5. We add those numbers together, we get 10. Since both numbers are positive, our answer is going to be positive. We keep the positive sign. When we move down to the next one, we have negative 8 plus negative 8. We see that both numbers have a negative sign in front of them. So we are simply going to add the 8, and then which gives us 16, and we keep the negative sign. If you are following along with that, go ahead and give me a check and we will move along to some practice. So here are a few examples, and of course you know that you can go ahead and write on the screen when you answer these examples for Miss Rainey, okay? Thank you so much. I see you all answering. Good job. Somebody's been paying attention. Good job. All right, so now we'll go on to adding when the signs are different. That means one number is positive, one number is negative, or one number is negative and the other number is positive. So according to the rules of math and our song, different signs subtract. So here we have a negative 10 and a positive 4. What that means is we simply make this a subtraction problem. 10 minus 4. We know that 10 minus 4 is 6. But then here's the thing. We're going to look for the number that is the largest, which in this case is 10, and we want to keep the sign that goes along with 10, which is negative, and that makes our answer negative 6. We do it again with the next example, 9 plus negative 2. We simply subtract 9 minus 2. We know that gives us 7, and then we look for the larger number. The larger number in this case is 9. 9 is positive, so we keep the sign, which is positive, of the larger number, and that gives us a positive 7. If you are following along with Miss Rainey, go ahead and give me a check, and we will move along again to some practice. So go ahead and use your annotate tool and write on the screen for me your answers. Good job. I see you all are really getting the hang of this. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so today we have gone over the rules of adding and adding integers when the signs are the same and when the signs are different. Same sign we add and keep, different sign we subtract. We take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So now I would like for you to work out this matching activity in the next few minutes. So you are simply going to match the problems with the answers, or the questions to the answers for Miss Rainey. Good job. Good job.